In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ease your team into Asana. Transitioning your team to a new tool like Asana can be a seamless process when approached thoughtfully. Let's dive into the steps to ensure that your team adopts Asana effectively and efficiently. Start by setting clear objectives. It's essential to define why your team is using Asana. Whether it's for better collaboration, tracking project progress, or reducing email clutter, having a clear rationale helps your team understand the purpose and benefits. You might highlight advantages such as increased visibility into projects and improved accountability, which can ultimately lead to greater project transparency and enhanced team productivity. Next, begin with a small and gradual introduction. To avoid overwhelming your team, start with a pilot project. This allows them to explore the platform without the pressure of full-scale implementation. Keep it simple initially, focus on basics like tasks, assignees, due dates, and comments. Once everyone is comfortable, you can introduce more advanced features at a later stage. Providing hands-on training is critical. Short training sessions, whether live or pre-recorded, can be highly beneficial. Demonstrate how to create tasks, update their statuses, and use relevant features for different roles within the team. You can also take advantage of Asana's built-in templates, which help streamline and standardize common workflows, making the learning curve less steep. Consider assigning a champion or advocate for the platform. This involves selecting a team member to be the go-to person for Asana-related inquiries. They can provide guidance, share useful tips, and help ensure the smooth adoption of the tool within your team. Having a dedicated advocate can greatly enhance user confidence and facilitate consistent usage. Integrate Asana into your daily workflow to ingrain it as a natural part of your team's routine. Start by incorporating Asana into team meetings, track agendas, update tasks in real time, and encourage the replacement of traditional email or chat messages with Asana tasks. This change promotes regular interaction with the platform, reinforcing its role in your team's operations. Encourage collaboration and feedback throughout the process. Invite your team to share what works well and what doesn't. This open dialogue not only helps in customizing the workflows to better fit the team's unique needs, but also ensures everyone feels heard and valued in the transition. Celebrate small wins like completed projects or noticeable improvements in productivity to motivate and maintain enthusiasm. Finally, lead by example. As a leader, your engagement with Asana can greatly influence your team's adoption. By using it consistently and demonstrating its benefits through your actions, you set a standard that others are likely to follow. Consistency from leadership often translates into consistency across the team. By following these steps, you can guide your team into a smooth and successful integration with Asana. With thoughtful planning and execution, you'll not only ease the transition, but also enhance your team's collaboration and efficiency.